How to unblock HDFC debit card. First of all, it's important to know that once your HDFC debit card is blocked, it cannot be unblocked. HDFC does not allow reactivation of blocked debit card for security reasons. Instead, you need to request a replacement card. To do this, open your browser and go to the official HDFC Bank website at hdfcbank.com. Hover over the login button and select NetBanking. Log in using your customer ID and password. Once you are logged in, go to the top menu and click on Cards. Then from the left-hand sidebar, click on the Request option under Debit Cards. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Reissuance of Hotlisting Cards. Choose your blocked card from the list and proceed to submit the request. You can also visit your nearest HDFC Bank branch or call customer care for the same. They will help you with the card reissue process and ensure your new card is delivered to your registered address. And that's it. Now you know how to unblock HDFC debit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.